Hi, my friends. I have completed the Christmas lay flat mini albums. I've got them all embellished, and I am ready to do the walkthrough with you. So stick around. All right, so I'm going to do the walkthrough, and it's so funny. These are my lay flat books, but I knew once I started putting things in them, they wouldn't lay quite as flat anymore. But we'll go through this one first, and I am going to sell these on Etsy in my Etsy shop, so you can look for them there. But this one, and remember we put that satin on there. And then we've got some lace, because I've embellished a little bit since I went through the tutorial on how to make these, which they're really, really simple to make. And so I just thought with these colors and everything, the lace would look best. And we just untie here. And then I put a little flap inside. Here she is baking, and then we open that. We have the kids opening their gifts. I put a little tuck spot here, and I made this card. So this is like a little ledger card. It just says on here, tidings of comfort and joy. And then I don't have my glasses on for some reason. I don't know why I've done this video without them. But anyway, this little owl was one of my favorites, and I put him on that card. Here's the little bunnies in their Christmas tree. And I inked most of the edges up. And then over here on our inner flap, we have some ephemera. We've got our pretty church there in this nice pocket. And then we have a hedgehog having hot chocolate, a little raccoon, some mittens and hot cocoa with whipped cream, and just like a little animal tea party there. And stick those in. So then this would close up, and over on this side I made a belly band. Oh yeah, and I did make paper clips out of this cute little paper clip holding this in. So this is the winter wishes that I made with my embossing folder, and that just slides back in the belly band. And then let me see if I can do this paper clip easy enough. Actually, what I did before to make it easier, put the paper clip on and then put them in like that. Okay, and then you've got, of course, when you remove this, you've got some journaling room over there as well. Okay, and then here I made a pocket out of this little bridge that was in the papers. And we've got our pretty lady there in front of her door with the wreath, and then just that little bridge. This is a cute little waterfall, just a tiny little waterfall that you could maybe put some photos, but definitely some journaling in there. And then Candlelit Christmas, I cut this out of the ephemera. Oh, actually that bow, oh no, the bow does go that way, sorry. And a little bow with joy on there. Okay, and then over here, I made a tuck spot out of this Christmas tree, and I used one of my Heidi Swap little folders, file folders, and it says, oh, what fun, and then you could journal or, you know, put a photo there and some more journaling room there. And then over here, we have our lovely lady at the fireplace, and I put one of these little holders here, and you just slide this out. Peace, love, and joy. And then on this side you have a little girl reading a book, but you could put a photo of one of your loved ones on here and stick this back down in. And then over here we've got another tuck spot, gathered in love, and a little tag. It says winter wishes. Pretty deer on there, and more journaling room. And then we've got our carolers here, more journaling room. And then on the back, our other pretty lady at the fireplace. and then you would just tie it back up. So that's book number 1, Believe. It's sparkly and shiny. All right, so this one is our Sugarplum Wishes, and I used glitter glue around the edge there and sprinkled rock candy on it, Ranger rock candy, and that's where it gets that little shine from. This is one of my Prima flowers that I got this summer and in one of my mystery boxes, so that came in perfect, I thought, right there. Put a little bit more bling on the lace tie, so we just have a lace closure here for us. Untie that. This one, well, this one I guess ended up a little bit thicker too. And then here I made a gatefold, so you just open up your ribbon here and then open to this page. You got plenty of room for a photo here. Have these little holders and your tags in there. You got room here to write. I thought these were adorable. And then this one over here, because these are kind of like a window, and you got the side there. Okay. And I won't tie everything up right now. My fingernails, I have an appointment on Tuesday to get my nails done, and they need done, so it's hard to tie ribbons right now. Got Santa, and I left Santa blank because you might want to put like smaller pictures around or something. I just didn't want to cover him up. He looks so good there. Then in here, I made a belly band. We got our skates and a belly band there so that it would hold this envelope. And I made the envelope too. So Season's Greeting. I used a lot of my Christmas stamps on this project, which was fun. I made this out of one of the Heidi Swap ledgers. So I made a envelope out of it. We've got another pretty owl. I just love the owls that I created in this paper thing. And that's the thing. I'm going to have the actual books on Amazon. On Etsy to sell, but the papers are also available on Etsy. So we've got our little ephemera here, our cute little woodland animals, and you've got room on the back to journal, write anything you want. Then this just goes back in there. Season's Greeting closes up and goes back, tucks into the belly band again. And then we got some more kids over here opening their gifts, room for photos. And then we've got a corner pocket here, wrapped in winter wishes. No, whimsy. I told you to have my glasses on. Wrapped in winter whimsy, blushing through the snow. I did create these papers, but it's been months ago now, so. All right, and then I made a little flap here. You can lift up. We got our gals here baking, and then this is actually a pocket. So you pull this out, and you've got one of those little journaling ledgers. And then on the back, we have the most wonderful time of the year and little holly leaves. Plenty of room for photos or writing, and it tucks back in that pocket and then goes down. And then I left this one blank with our kiddos baking, and then this one blank with plenty of room to journal. So just cute little books, bows, blooms, and blessings. So that is these two projects, and I didn't do too bad at keeping them semi-flat. Thanks for watching, and check them out in my Etsy shop.